Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1011S in color code 002. The color of the frame is blue, and the lenses are gray. And these glasses are a cat-eye shape. Its temples are blue, and the temple tips are brown. On its temple, you'll also find the GG Gucci emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when you have the frame on. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. On its inner right temple is the serial number, the Gucci logo, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.